Hello everyone, welcome to Dr. Rajesh Biogenesis Chemistry Academy, Hyderabad, Telangana State. So in this video we are going to discuss about what is a Robinson annulation. So it is the most important one. If you know Michael addition reaction, then only you can understand what is Robinson annulation. So this reaction is not a new one, it is a mixture of two reactions. First one is that is Michael addition. So we need to know about what is a Michael addition reaction. Michael addition, and one more is it is a mixture of aldol condensation, and it is also helps to make a dehydration, condensation as well as dehydration reaction. So this total thing is known as Michael addition as well as aldol condensation followed by dehydration is known as Robinson annulation. So here this is Robinson annulation. So one more reaction is also there, that is called Manish. Manish is a initiation for Robinson annulation reaction. So these reactions are very important and they are most expected for your examination. So Michael addition, aldol condensation, then followed by dehydration, and you can also explain Manish reaction so that all areas will be covered for scoring good marks. Okay. See, I will explain one example. See, this is a carbonyl compound and here I am taking a alpha comma beta unsaturated carbonyl. This is also called methyl and this is vinyl and this is ketone, MVK, methyl vinyl ketone. This can be prepared by using Manish reaction. Okay. It is carried in presence of a base NaOET. Now it can takes a proton from cyclic 6-membered ring. After taking proton from this cyclic 6-membered ring, here there is a formation of a ring. Here already carbonyl group is present, outside 4 carbons are present with respect to this 1, 2, 3, 4. Write down 4, 1, 2, 3 and this is 4. Now here this and this condense together. Now see, if this is attached on this, okay, so these two carbons, beta and this is alpha, beta alpha carbonyl, and here you may get C double bond like this. This is called Michael addition followed by aldol condensation and dehydration reaction. Okay, you can understand by taking mechanism involved in this reaction. See, initially the base which we used, that will take proton from alpha carbon. See, this is cyclohexanone and here I am using ETO minus, that will take proton from here. So after taking proton, alpha carbon bearing a negative charge, this is called enolate ion. Okay, resonance stabilized enolate ion. This enolate ion is going to react with a carbonyl group like this. This is called methyl vinyl ketone, MVK. In your examination, if they use the word MVK, means methyl vinyl ketone. So this is alpha comma beta. Now we know beta carbon is a soft electrophilic in nature. This nucleophile will attack here and this will migrate and this will transfer like this. This is called Michael addition. So what is happening here? Michael addition reaction. After Michael addition reaction, see this beta carbon. So this is beta, then this is alpha, then carbonyl, and this is methyl. Okay. So this alpha carbon carbonyl, there is a double bond and here will expect a O minus. So that will intake proton from corresponding solvent of ETOH, which will remove proton from here. So it will loses proton, and finally see, you may expect 1, 2 and this is 3, 4. Here will expect a alcohol now. So after tautomerism, this bond migrates and this will transfer like this. So finally what happens? There is a formation of carbonyl groups here. New CC bond formation takes place. So this is Michael addition is over. After Michael addition, what will be your answer? Okay. So here one more base is given. This will take proton from here. After taking proton from this molecule, so this is called aldol condensation. This is deprotonation in aldol. So now this will attack here. So once if they attack, there is a condensation will takes place. So after condensation, 1, 2, 3 and this is 4, C double bond O. Here it will carry hydroxy group, direct step I am writing after adding proton. So here finally they may undergo dehydration. Base is also responsible for dehydration in aldol. Now here hydrogen hydroxy both are removed in the form of water molecule. This is happens in basic medium only. And see finally there is alpha comma beta unsaturated carbonyls are resultant answer. So always remember Robinson annulation responsible to give a ring formation, build up of ring. Rings are responsible in Robinson annulation. There is a formation of a ring, that's why it is called annulation. So without ring formation it cannot be a annulation reaction. Okay. Now I am taking one more example. See, here I given OCH3. Okay. Now here I given carbonyl. Now this reaction is contributed with methyl vinyl ketone. Now can you predict this answer? First one is Michael addition. Remove this proton. Why we are removing this proton? Why? Because it is stabilized by both carbonyl as well as benzene. Okay, we need to remove proton such a way that it is stabilized by a corresponding electron withdrawing groups. So here, how to predict these answers? Now this is aromatic ring and here there is a presence of OCH3. Now you remove this proton, this will attack on this. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. You write down that 4 carbons as usual by removing this double bond. So can I write like this? Here this is 1, 2 and this is 3 and you write down this carbonyl and this is the one. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I written 1, 2, 3, 4 by removing this double bond. Now this will attack on this carbonyl. Okay, this will attack on this carbonyl, put a double bond. That is the answer. Condensation. First is Michael addition, then aldol condensation, then followed by dehydration. So that is Michael addition reaction. Okay. Now see, this molecule having a unsymmetric alpha carbon. 2 alpha carbons are present. So try to predict answers here. So it is a shortcut to identify Robinson annulation product. See, I am using NaOET. After using this NaOET, now 2 different alpha carbons are present. Whichever is more acidic, that becomes a condensation product here. So this will carry 2 hydrogens and having only 1 hydrogen. This is more acidic and this is less acidic. So right side ring formation will take place. So can I write a 1, 2, 3 and this is 4 and you write down this carbonyl and put double bond like this. That is the answer. Okay. So even you can also take help like this. See, here I am using a carbonyl and here I am using methyl and this is OCH3 I am using. This is double bond C double bond O like this. Now can you predict this answer? NaOET. Where alpha carbon is present, this is alpha carbon, here also alpha, use this. After using this, now here this is methyl, next this is aromatic ring and here this is OCH3 like this. Now here outside we need to write 4 carbons with respect to this. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3 and this is 4 and here remove this and finally condensation and dehydration products are expected. Okay, and one more example. See, I am taking a carbonyl group here and see this is aromatic ring has been taken. Now here I am not taking methyl vinyl ketone, I am taking ethyl vinyl ketone. Okay, so this is called ethyl vinyl ketone. So what will be the resultant product? They will give like this only. So you need to identify it is a Michael addition followed by aldol condensation and dehydration. That is called Robinson annulation reaction. Okay, so what will be the resultant answer here? See, now your product is here aromatic ring is as usual. Now it is connected to 1, 2, 3. This is carbonyl and this is 4, right? This one is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here methyl group is present. This is connected to this carbonyl. Finally put double bond. Michael addition type of reactions like this. Okay. Now here one more. I am taking a 1,3 dione. This is 1,3 dione. So when 1,3 dione reacts with methyl vinyl ketone, this is NaOET like this. What will be your answer? Okay. Now see, observe carefully. Here this hydrogen is more acidic than normal carbon hydrogen. Why? Because here 2 electron withdrawing groups are present over here. So definitely what happens, see, this carbanion will attack on this beta. So after attacking this, see, you may expect like this 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. This negative ion will attack on this. By disappearing double bond, you will get a single bond over here and this carbonyl and methyl will come. So later on, after using NaOET, this will, you may write above direction or below direction, nothing will happen. Why? Because both are remain same. So after this what happens, see, there is a condensation and dehydration will happens here 1, 2, 3 and this is 4. Here this is C double bond O, condensation and dehydration. So always remember your condensation dehydration products are very close to carbonyl. So always you should get alpha comma beta unsaturated carbonyl compounds. Why? Because conjugation will accelerate rate of dehydration. Means you can remove water molecule very easily if they accelerate conjugation. If there is no conjugation, this is not exist. See, if I use this molecule, this is carbonyl group here. I don't want to use two ketones, one ketone, one ester I am using. So now can you predict Robinson annulation over here? This is NaOET. Now see, remove proton from here definitely. Why? Because this carbon shared by two carbonyls. If any carbon shared by two carbonyls, already explained in Michael addition reaction, that is called activated carbon, also called active carbon, active methylene, many names are there. So remove this proton, you will get a carbanion that will attack here. Now see, you will get two possibilities here now. This is oxygen and this is carbonyl, two possibilities. 1, 2, 3, 4, this is first one, and one more you may expect like this. So you need to say whether it is exist or not. See, this is 1, 2, 3 and this is 4, like that one more possibility. Means I would like to write this CH3 towards carbonyl of ketone, I would like to write this CH3 towards carbonyl of ester. So which is preferred? Okay, so always remember it is always preferred towards carbonyl side. Why? Because carbonyl more deficiency is there, but here this carbonyl of ester stabilized by oxygen lone pair. So here it is less deficient. If it is less deficient, this carbanion never attacks here. After generating carbanion, it never attacks here. So this is not exist. This is highly stable. So definitely this carbanion will attack on this one. So what is your resultant answer? This is carbonyl group and here 1, 2, 3, 4 and it will attach here and you write alpha comma beta unsaturated carbonyl. So like that we can explain plenty of examples by taking all types of steroids, terpenoids, cholesterols and even heterocyclics also we can take, but concept is remain same. I think you understood with this. If you know Michael addition as well as Robinson annulation properties perfectly, you can attempt in your examination. Okay, only with Michael addition it is helpless. Definitely Michael addition as well as Aldol, two videos are already uploaded, just go through it, you can get these questions very easily. Okay, so this is the asked question in your examination, just you remember. This is a cyclohexanone, then I am using a methyl vinyl ketone. Now NaOET, your answer is A. Now if it is treated with hydrogen peroxide in sodium hydroxide, so what is your answer? B. Most important interconversion in CSR examination. Okay, so first is your answer A. This is already known. This alpha carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, this is carbonyl, there is a alpha comma beta unsaturated carbonyl. And what about your answer B here? B is nothing but epoxidation. Alpha comma beta unsaturated compounds undergo epoxidation by using peroxide in sodium hydroxide. So here you may expect a alpha comma beta epoxy carbonyl. From there onwards there is a possibility of asking what is Esten-Moser-Tanabe fragmentation reaction. So that is a sequence. So it should be very strong in Manish, Michael, and one more is aldol condensation followed by dehydration. After aldol condensation and dehydration, then Robinson annulation is completed. So what is actual Robinson annulation? Preparing a ring. Okay, we need to prepare a ring by using a carbonyl compound and molecules having a activated olefin. Hope you understand what is a Robinson annulation. So such type of videos we are going to upload regularly. So try to like, share and comment on this particular video in comment section. Okay. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you for your regular support.